Alright, welcome everyone to the installation instructional video thing for the shaders that I showcased probably just about now, because I do believe I'll be releasing this at the exact same time that the showcase comes out, so that you guys don't have to wait any longer to install it or have to look around and get frustrated and be like, what the freak am I supposed to do? I don't know. Well, I'm going to show you what you need to do. So let's do this thing. So open your preferred web browser and type in the top search bar or this search bar or wherever you feel like typing it, and type in Optifine. We're going to get Optifine first because you need to do things with Optifine before you ever get the shaders. So once you type in Optifine, you need to make sure you go to the optifine.net. Not any of these other ones. You don't really need to go there at all. If you want to, be my guest. But click on the very first link, bring you to the home page, go to Downloads, and you get brought to this. Now, this tutorial will show you how to install it for 1.10, but I have tested the exact same method, the exact same, for all other versions that I use, which is like 1.7.10, 1.8, 1.9. I don't know if it'll work anything below that. Anything below this? Probably not. But as far as I know, all these versions will work. So all the versions you see here, the shaders will work with the Optifine. So as long as you have Optifine installed for the corresponding version, this pack and the installation video will work. So we're going to do it for 1.10, so download the C1 of 1.10 HD and download that. And see, sometimes it does this to me. I click on stay and I just refresh the page, yes, reload, and it fixes itself. I don't know what it's doing, but if that happens to you, just hit the refresh button, tell it to refresh, and it should fix your problem. Hit the download button and get that downloaded and minimize it. Boom, there you go. Alright, next step, before we do anything with that file, we need to open Minecraft. So open Minecraft, you will be on your, oh, no, stop it. You will be on your normal one, or whichever one you left it on, and make sure you have it on Minecraft 1.10. If you need to change it, go to Edit Profile, use Version, and find 1.10 in the listing, and then hit Save Profile, and then play. So let it boot up until it reaches this screen here, and then that's all you need to do. You can quit game, and you're good. So next step is to open up your File Explorer, go to your downloads, and just put this on, nope, wrong one, it's not done yet. If you have this feature enabled, click keep. It's not a bad thing. You can keep it and then drag it onto your desktop. There you go. Now what you need to do is double click on it, or right click and open it, or whatever you need to do, and click the install button. This screen should pop up. If it doesn't, maybe download it. I don't know what else you could really do besides re-download it. You might have gotten a bad download. Who knows? But for previous versions, the screen might not look like this, but as long as you have the install button, you're all good. So install it. Hit OK when it says it's successfully installed, and you are done with that. Next up on the list is going to Sonic Ether's Unbelievable Shaders. If it doesn't autofill in for you, just continue typing that out, and it should be the very first link. Click on that. It'll bring you to the Minecraft forums, and you can just scroll down. You'll see snapshots, you'll see a bunch of text here, and then you'll get all the way down to here, and you'll see SEUS version 11 download. Click on that, and it will take you to another ad fly, and you'll have to wait another 5 seconds, and boom. I have read and accepted the ULA, and download. This is not a bad download page. This is their actual download page. It looks fake, but it's real. So just hit download, and you will have the pack. There you go. You got your ad, and we are all done with the interwebs. So next thing to do is go to your downloads, and once again, take it out and drag it onto your desktop. You can leave it in there if you want to. Doesn't really matter. But the next step is to go into your search, go to %appdata%, click enter, and go to your .minecraft folder. Now I have a shortcut made, so if you want to make a shortcut, just make sure you select the folder, right click on it, create shortcut, and it'll be down here, and just drag it onto your desktop. I'm going to delete mine because I already have it. So we're going to open up the .minecraft folder, and we're going to go in and make something. So what you need to do is you need to make a new folder. So right click, new folder, or Control-Shift-N as in new, and that will do the same thing, make a new folder. And you need to name it Shader Packs. Exactly like that, all lowercase, same spacing, everything needs to look exactly like this. And then just click off of it, and there you go, you have your new folder. Double click to open it, take the zip file you just downloaded, and just drop it in there. And there you go, you've installed shaders. Now we open up Minecraft. We go, and it has Optifine already selected, because when you install Optifine, it will automatically make a profile called Optifine and put it on the version you just installed. So we can just go ahead and hit play, let it load up, and I will show you how to enable shaders and how to make it run smoother-ish in case you have a laptop. Alright, so when you log into Minecraft and you get in your world, it might not look like this. I mean, if it did, cool beans, because you just got the exact same stuff here. But anyway, log into your world, and you're like, whoa, I just installed stuff and it's not working. Why isn't it working? Why isn't it working? Chucks computer out of window. Don't chuck your computer out the window, alright? It's okay. You just have to turn it on. Alright, so we want to hit the pause button, go to options, video settings, and now you have a shaders button. Oop, there we go, shaders button. And any future pack you install into this or put into that folder, it will display right here. But since we only have one, we just click on the one and only, and click done, 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 and back to game. And as you can see, you have your shader pack. Boom, easy as that. Now, one recommended thing, if you are on laptop, if you've already done this and it works fine, great. But if you're hesitating a little bit before doing this, please hesitate some more, because I'm going to tell you this. On the first initial load up, I would suggest putting render all the way down to 2, and going into this when you select it, clicking shader options and putting it on low, and clicking done. Now this will not be as pretty as, a custom or, whatnot, as you can see, but it will save your computer from possibly crashing. So then after you've done that for the initial startup, just go back and you can gradually make it go up each interval until it either starts lagging or it's at a point where you're like, okay, I don't need to go any higher than this, this is just fine. I keep mine on custom, and to get it back to custom, just hit reset, and you should be all good. And I'm pretty sure custom does it based off of your computer, so custom should do it for you, but just in case, for that first initial load up, just do that. Now, one thing, if you do have troubles, and you go into here and you click on shaders, and it says something like, cannot do shaders because of something, something, something. That is because shaders cannot run if fast render, this thing right here, if fast render is on, it cannot run. Reason being is because, as you can see, fast render is used to optimize the rendering algorithm, which decreases the GPU load and may increase FPS. What decreasing the GPU load means is that the GPU is doing less work because it is doing something different with the rendering process so that the GPU doesn't have to work as hard. Well, with shaders, it needs to work as hard as it possibly can, or as hard as it needs to, in order to keep these nice looking shadows and lighting and all that different stuff working. So turn that off before you go into here and try and turn it on. It will tell you if it is currently turned on, so you can just go in there and turn it off, but otherwise you ought to be good. So you can bring your render distance back up to what you normally have it as, and you can enjoy your survival world. Go on a server, play some mini games. It works on servers as well because all you're using is Optifine, and shader packs aren't seen as a mod or a I guess cheating type tool, because you're actually slightly inhibiting yourself because it makes things darker. So go have some fun, go play some mini games, play by yourself, do some survival, maybe do a roleplay, cinematic trailer, I don't know. Do whatever you want to do with it, but this is how you install it for every single version. The process is the same. Just install the correct version for the Minecraft of your choosing on Optifine, and you will be good to go. So if you all did enjoy this tutorial, please leave a like, it helps a lot, and subscribe if you want to see more tutorials that I might have coming later, or if you want to see gameplay, which is my current standings on video type things. So I hope you all did enjoy, and I will see you all next time.